Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the specific Google account whose Play Store history you want removed. Once signed in, open the Play Store and tap your profile icon at the top right. That takes you straight to account controls. Make sure your device is online and the Play Store app is updated, because older versions hide key settings. Now tap Manage Apps and Device to continue. This is where activity and preferences live, so you're ready for the next set of actions. You'll now remove searches and local activity in the Play Store. In the Profile menu, go to Settings, then either General or Account and Device Preferences depending on your version. Once there, choose Clear Local Search History or Clear Device Search History. Confirm when prompted to purge recent searches. If you need to remove individual app entries from recommendations, tap the three dots next to an app and select Remove from History. This trims local traces. To finish, clear residual local data. Go to Android Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, then Storage, and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. This resets local history and resolves persistent suggestions. If you want server-side deletion, visit Google's My Activity, filter by Play Store or Google Play, and delete entries there. If the history doesn't disappear, sign out and back in, reboot the device, and make sure Google Play Services is updated. If problems persist, repeat cache clear and recheck account settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.